Okay, really great work yesterday. Very impressed. I'm going to teach you a few more things um, that I'm going to try to show you some things that you can always be doing because we're adding products to the server every day, and um, your main job is to assist me on um, curating the content of our app, and we're adding things every day. So one of the things I was really pleased with was how you did the uh, what the descriptions you got off Google. I'd love you to do that for. I'd love you to kind of go through the admin page and just try to look at all of them, and if they need a little bit better description, it'd be great if you could add them. I wanted to show you. I want to talk a little bit more about the server. So let's take a look at this page. This is the food and beverage page. Um, so essentially, this page, like the list view, this works a lot like a spreadsheet. Like the title, if you see here, there's an arrow, and you can sort it alphabetically, you know, by title. You can also a good example like timestamp. You can sort it by that. Timestamp is basically just the most recent. So essentially, you'd be able to see the ones that have most recently been added. Um, also, another thing, the subtitle, we usually just do the town. Um, you can edit it from right here, and it saves, as you can see. It's another way to make your life a little easier. The other thing, okay, this is another good example, is one of the jobs I really want you to do. Let's click on this one. I want the first. You can rearrange the photos down here. Like for instance, I want the first photo to always be as powerful as it can be. Like let's say that I chose that I wanted this one to be the first photo. If you just hit that arrow, it'll switch. That'll be the first one. So that's another important task for you, just to kind of look at these products and just kind of curate how the public is going to see them. Let's see. Okay, I think you get that. All right. So for today's task, I just gave you some more photos, and a lot of those mainly what I want you to get from this is those photos that you have. I want you to first check to see that there's not already a profile created for it, and you can do that by you could just sort it. I mean, let's just do one together. Let me find. Okay, unmet. This is the photos right here. So let's take like Bud and Alley's for example. That's a very popular place. I already have a Bud and Alley's. Okay, it's already in here. Bud and Alley's. Now, if it's not in there, then you can make a profile for it. But first check to make sure there's not already a profile created. So there's Bud and Alley's. So all you're going to do is add these photos to Bud and Alley's. So we would attach images. Find it on my computer. So it'd be right here. Add all those. All right. Update service. Update service. I wonder why it's not letting me do that. I think maybe if it's more than 15, you can only. That's weird. Oh, there they go. Okay. Just play with it until they start uploading. Let's see, like I would really, man, I want to use that one. Alright, that thing's acting kind of funny, but that will do for now. Okay, and then the final thing I wanted to show you is like when you're searching for something, you can also, in this filter, you can search. See, like if you're searching for Bud and Alley's, you can find it that way. Also, I'll go ahead and show you this. If you switch over to map view, you can see them all on a map. You zoom in, you can see where they are, and if you click, it'll take it to it. So that's a little more tour of the server. And as far as like the first photo goes, I really like having the sign in the shot. That really helps. But you'll get the hang of that, and that'll really help when you get an Apple device. All right, great job. Let me know if you have any questions.